That's what I'm saying. It's like questionable.
Maybe it's a secret stone that if you touch it,
You die.
it opens up the portal. Oh my. This is the cool part. Look at these steps, dude. Ugh. It's the manger.
I don't think that's...
Here's the key to the universe. That's all you get.
I almost stepped on it.
Yep.
I know. That's what I was like behind you and you're like, don't attack me, please. Oh, it's coming. It's coming.
It's gonna attack me.
Attack my GoPro?
Yep.
I don't think so.
He's like, thinks it's food.
Oh, it goes through. I farted.
Jeez. I smell it.
Horror. Oh, there's a thing. Lizard. Perfect dismount.
I haven't seen a single monarch butterfly here. Oh, its wing is like shaped.
Whoa, it's pretty.
Interesting. That's so cool. Actually, it looks like it got chewed at.
Looks like a moth.
It could be a moth. Mystery animal. What could it be? A jaguar?
Probably a tarantula.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Dude, that reminds me of Animal Crossing. What do you do when you see a tarantula? You creep on it.
Shit.
Yeah.
It's a calculator. Looks like a calculator. So you're gonna go to the end of...
It's a TI-85.
That's how they keep track of the points. I feel like it's gonna be out of focus.
What bite?
I'm not a fan of acai.
That's pretty good.
Alright, try it. Acai.
It's acai. So yeah, I don't really feeling that way.
Do a transition where you go into my mouth.
Yeah. Yeah. Can't really catch it with the GoPro because black. It's a Caribbean coast in the air.
This is our choice.
Wow, blue sky. Azul.